Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to increase the resolution of the image or resize the image and use the filters. So from here I'm pressing this lock to unlock the layer. From here go into the image and click on image size. From here you have the image size. I'm increasing the image size to 10. You can see it is 10 width and 10 height. You can increase the resolution from here. I'm giving it 300. From here you have other options. From here I'm clicking on this preserve details and you can reduce or increase the noise from here. I'm giving it 0 noise and pressing OK. You can see the image resolution is improved. Now I'm going into the filter and you have many of the filters here. Like you have 3D, blur, blur gallery, distort, noise, pixilate, render, sharpen, stylize, video and other. You also have filter gallery and liquify and vanishing point other options. You can play with these filters. So I will take here pixilate and facet. You can see here I have this shortcut for the facet Ctrl plus F. So I will press Ctrl plus F again and Ctrl plus F again and one more time. You can see the edges are improving. Okay, we'll go and click on soft light. You can play with these options right here also. I will give it soft light. You can see from here you have other options like color balance and photo filter and many others. Brightness and contrast you can also change. I will go for color balance. I'm adjusting the color from here. You can see. So guys, from here you can see the difference. This is before, okay, and this is after. You can see the brightness and you can also see the resolution. It has sharp edges. Okay, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.